In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ManyChat. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your messaging channels so you can start automating conversations and capturing leads without any confusion. First, a quick overview. ManyChat is a platform that lets you build automated chats for social and messaging apps. To make it work, you'll connect the channels where your audience already is, like Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, or Telegram. The connection is secure, and you stay in control of what gets shared and which assets you connect. Let's begin by logging in. Head to ManyChat.com and sign in to your account. If you manage multiple brands or workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you proceed. This helps keep your pages, numbers, and automations organized and prevents connecting the wrong assets. Once you're in, look for channels in the main navigation. Click it to open the hub where all available messaging platforms are listed. This section is your control center for adding, viewing, or managing the connections that power your automations. Now choose which platform you want to connect. You'll see options like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Telegram. The process is similar for each. Pick the one where you plan to chat with your audience first. As a quick tip, ensure you have the proper permissions on the account you're connecting, such as admin access to the Facebook page for Messenger, an Instagram professional account linked to a page, a verified WhatsApp business number, or the appropriate access for Telegram. Having the right permissions up front makes the connection smooth. Click Connect Account for your chosen channel. This opens a secure authorization window from the platform you selected. If you don't see the window, check whether your browser blocked pop-ups and allow it for this step. Next, authorize access. You'll be prompted to sign in if you aren't already, and then to grant permissions so ManyChat can send and receive messages on your behalf. Review the requested permissions and select the specific pages, numbers, or assets you want to connect. Confirm your choices and complete the authorization. If your account uses two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. When the authorization is successful, you'll see a confirmation back in ManyChat. That's it. You're connected and ready to build automations, welcome messages, and conversation flows. If you want to add more channels, return to Channels, select another platform, click Connect Account, and authorize access the same way. This setup ensures your audience can reach you on their favorite app while you manage everything in one place.